What is NAAMS? NAAMS stands for North American Automotive Metric Standards, officially NAAMS Global Standard Components and Assemblies. In practice, NAAMS is a standardized system of off-the-shelf components and dimensions used mainly in automotive body and white stamping dies and assembly tooling. It defines things like locating pins, rest blocks, shims, spacers, risers, clamps, cylinders, and other fixture tooling elements so that Chrysler LLC, Ford, GM, Stellantis, and their suppliers can design and build tooling using common metric standards. Key points that matter for a mechanical designer. Goal: reduce cost and lead time by reusing standard components instead of designing custom ones for every fixture or die. Scope: 2 main divisions: stamping components, dies, cams, guide components, cylinders, etc., and assembly components, locating pins, NC blocks, rest blocks, shims, risers, bases, safety screens, etc. Originally started under the Auto Steel Partnership in the early 1990s, now maintained under USCR with participation from major OEMs and suppliers. If you're modeling tooling in CAD like SolidWorks, Inventor, CATIA, NAAMS usually means you are expected to use these catalog components and their standard envelopes so your fixtures match the industry standard geometry and hardware. Please watch my videos for more information. Thank you.